All right, so in this example, now I'm giving you the function, and I'm saying there's a vertical compression of 3/4. You're reflecting the y-axis, and you're shifting the graph up 3 units. So let's kind of think. What affects our vertical compression? A, B, C, D. What is our vertical compression? A, right? OK, that's our A. What affects our y reflecting about the y-axis? Our A, B, or C, or D?
Isn't that B?
Yeah, it's a B. And what tells us to go up or down? You might as well finish the question. D. So therefore, I need to say, all right, so I know my transformation function. I got to apply it here. If I was going to throw in all the transformations, this graph would look like this. Right? But what we've labeled is I only need to include A, B, and D. I don't need the C. So let's put 3/4 in for A. If it's a reflect the y-axis, that means B needs to be negative. So I'll just use a -1 for right now. And then that's going to be times x. And then D, shifting up 3, I can represent that as +3. Look at that. Perfect time. And obviously, you guys can just write that as -x instead of -1 times x. But that's small potatoes.